First, draw a berry. Yellow. Now draw its cap. And of course, a smile. Excellent! Draw one more berry. And a cap for it. And a smile again. Splendid! Now draw a long stem. And another stem. And finally, draw 3 leaves. You have made terrific wild strawberries.
Crunchy candied strawberries. There's nothing better than these for summer. Also known as the Chinese street food tangulu. They come together.
Look how happy your wild strawberries are.